If you're looking for a trustworthy HVAC contractor in Burnsville, Minnesota, Boldt HVAC is a great option. In-depth heating and cooling services, such as routine maintenance, air conditioning installation, and furnace repairs, are offered by them. Their knowledgeable experts can handle a variety of HVAC brands and systems, so they can suit the unique needs of their clients. Are you looking for HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Boldt HVAC. What is HVAC and its purpose? HVAC, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, refers to the technologies and systems used in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings to control the internal climate and guarantee comfort. The major goals of HVAC systems are to regulate air quality through appropriate ventilation and to maintain the desired temperature by offering heating and cooling. What is the HVAC contract? A legal agreement outlining the precise services to be rendered for maintaining, repairing, or installing heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems is known as an HVAC contract. Examples of these contractors include Boldt HVAC in Burnsville, Minnesota 55337. Where is your service area? Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prior Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield are among the communities that Boldt HVAC is happy to serve. Where is your Boldt HVAC located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, MN 55121, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website, https://.bobbots.com/.